Work smart, not hard. Look.
Show me what you're doing. No.
No. Show me and then no.
Look.
I'm
freaking out. I was like, I know that guy. I know that one.
Look at that. Oh my gosh. Guess what? I got some packages and I need you to help me.
okay. Oh la la. How you want me to help?
Can you pronounce that?
No.
Try it. I want to hear you try and say it.
Don't waste my time. You know.
Okay, true. You're a busy guy. How do you,
Exact-
wait, but how do you say that?
Package.
Zach, I have a package.
Is this a bad idea?
It's a risk, but it's okay. Sometimes it's good to take risk, you know.
It is good to take risks in life sometimes. All right.
Ah, it's for the new one.
Yeah,
Which car?
this car.
This car? I'll give you $15 now.
$15?
25, the last price, cash.
I bought this for $300.
But okay, how much you need?
500
500 what? I don't. 500 cents.
euros.
Euro. Okay. Bro, 25, and I'm good with you. Believe me.
Believe you.
Believe me. $30. Last price.
30?
Sorry.
Deal.
Don't see the jacket?
Members only?
Never
Damn, swagger.
Like always. Okay.
No! No way.
Cash.
We need some cutters. Let's open this up.
Together. Easy, man. Easy.
I need a razor blade.
Work smart, not hard. Look.
Wait, show me what you're doing. No.
No. Show me and then no.
Look. That's way better. All right.
Yay!
Dude. That's the right sound, right?
Yeah.
That's the sound we wanted to hear. Dude, look at that color. Do you like them?
Yes.
Would you roll on your moped with these wheels?
What's mean moped?
Your bike.
No, because my bike is blue. You can't mix these colors with blue.
Blue and bronze? Heck yeah, everything goes with bronze. You think this is gonna look good on there?
Yes.
Careful, don't let it scratch. All right, here's before. Ooh. All right, let's mount some tires to it. We happen to have two 18-inch tires on the rack. We have a car meet to go to tonight in less than 2 hours. We'll see if it even fits. Dude, I actually really like these. And the color, the paint.
Zwing.
We got our slime chrome tire valves. Shove this guy. Actually, I might get rid of this chrome because I don't like it. Nice. Okay, great. These work. Wanna know something crazy? I've never owned a brand new set of wheels. I've always bought used wheels. Thanks, Robbie. Whoa! You gonna shoot me or what?
I can't do that, you know.
Get out of here.
Now I can.
Get out of here. All right, bye. This mess.
see it.
You should stop by.
I just like topped the last parking spot in this freaking UW area.
Let's see you on the ground. Nice.
Nice.
All right, we got the wheels on. Car looks shiny enough. Time to go to the UW car meet.
Different locations with some foreign. Oh shit. Yeah, say what's up. This is sick. Are you glad you came? Think so? Yeah.
I watched that shit a week ago and I was freaking out. I was like, I know that car. I know that one.
What's your name?
Cooper.
Good to meet you, man.
Good to meet you. What's
This,
your name?
this is Christian.
I'm Christian. Christian.
I'm Zach.
Zach.
Good to meet you, bro.
Good to meet you guys.
Thank you.
You drift this thing around those Christmas trees in Seattle?
Yeah, this is that car.
Hey, do you remember me from Stamp Sports? I was like,
Maybe.
taking pictures with Todd. Todd's over there.
Okay. Hey, good to see you, man.
Last time I saw it, that thing
Yeah,
was
look.
like butter.
It's better than it was before. Yeah.
Dude, I've seen your YouTube videos and shit.
Good to meet
It's so
you, man.
cool to see this in real life.
Yeah. Figure we'd bring it out tonight.
Nice job, man.
How are you? Thanks, dude. Good to meet you.
I saw your E30 videos and stuff because I have an E30 and I've been trying to do the S52 swap and all.
Nice.
And then
Yeah, we have.
It's so cool. I've seen their videos and I was like, oh shit, he's local. And
Yeah.
It's so crazy.
Well,
like,
good to meet you, man.
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah. Boom. There you go. Happy to meet you. You're a police officer now, I guess?
Yeah, exactly. I'm a lot louder now.
Oh yeah, that's the exhaust. Oh well.
May or may not be rubbing now.
Oh. Did I mount these wheels?
Oh, wait, did you?
I think I did.
These swing mounted, actually. These. And
Okay.
thanks to this guy, he saved me like this amount of ground clearance to put my pipe down there. So that's what it's all about. Hey, I don't know if you need to get your. I heard no sorry.
Bro.
He'll eat it. Getting close. Getting close.
Is that steak? And cheese? And bread? Oh, that looks really good. Can I have just a little bite? His face slobbering. Alright.
I know he's definitely
Good boy. Shake. Come here. Shake my hand. Good boy. You're so sweet.
Yeah, so I think we plan on leaving Friday. I got a book.
Wait, it's this
No.
next
it's
weekend?
June 15th.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Salvage title? How much? Miles rolled back?
Yeah, all of it.
There was this tree.
Yeah, I did crash it once.
Did you?
Yeah.
It looks good.
So, I snapped my diff case, and I snapped my axle on the driver's side. Driver's side rear axle snapped, and we were putzing it to Emilio's grandparents. Well, yeah, interesting end to the night. I don't know if you guys can see that, but... Oh, yo, give me your 50 mil. All right, Christian happened to have a 50 mil 1.8. We call these the Nifty 50. All right, there we go. Now you guys can see. Look at that. Oh my gosh. You know what's funny is I literally have just been saying recently, why have I never snapped an axle? And then, there you go. It's going to make it a little harder to sell this differential, which I was planning on doing today, actually. But I am very fortunate and glad to have snapped this one instead of the one that I was just about to install. So that's the bright side there. Smooth ride. How's that SMG life?
I don't know. I can't get enough of it. It's pretty fun. It's pretty fast.
The paddle shifters are nice.
Yeah. I wish it was DCT, but
Yeah. Yeah, the SMG is nice until you have to replace them.
yeah. when
They're
it
like
goes up.
$6,000 or something stupid.
Yeah.
All right, Christian, you're getting dropped off in style.
I know, right? It's been real.
It's been real.
Have a good night.
Bye, Christian. Yo, I'm really glad I kept this. This is history, dude. This is my history wall.
Let's check it out.
We're here.
Shoes.
Oh,
It was a White House.
got a bathroom.
Oh, this
A wheel. And there it is. Ladies and gentlemen, this is where the action happens.
This is the magic happens.
It's all about that action, boss.
Oh yeah. That's what that.
Tell me what you want, is it up for you?